The strong cut of low pressure system responsible for the heavy rain the last few days is finally exiting the country along the coast of KwaZulu Natal this Friday, but the tail of the cut of low pressure system, also known as the Scorpion's tail, will still bring heavy rain along the coast of KwaZulu Natal. The Weather Service issued a yellow level 4 warning for disruptive rainfall leading to flooding for the coast of KwaZulu Natal, with a yellow level 2 warning in place along the eastern coast of the Eastern Cape, mainly for Friday morning. So here's your Friday forecast. On Friday morning, a cold and foggy morning expected behind that cut of low pressure system over the central and eastern interior, with that cut of low pressure system still bringing heavy rain along the coast of KwaZulu Natal due to the tail of the cut of low pressure system. As mentioned, into the afternoon, bergwind conditions warming up the western coast, with Oostveer warming up the coast of our neighboring country, Namibia. We can see widespread rain still possible along the coast of KwaZulu Natal, where we have that yellow level 4 warning in place for disruptive rainfall leading to localized flooding. So please be careful in those regions. Only a few isolated showers still possible in parts of Limpopo and Mpumalanga, the western regions of KwaZulu Natal and parts of the Eastern Cape. But a very poor PV harvest expected in this blue to purple shades coming through over parts of the Eastern Cape, KwaZulu Natal and the northeastern regions. Otherwise, a good PV harvest over the rest of the country, with sunny skies returning to Gauteng and the surrounding regions. Taking a look at your winds, a fresh onshore wind still expected along the coast of KwaZulu Natal, and then those bergwind conditions due to northeasterly winds blowing fresh over the western coast and the coast of our neighboring country, Namibia. Into the afternoon, a moderate northeasterly wind expected over the coastal regions of the Eastern Cape. But in the Western Cape, those bergwind conditions warming up the western coast, 32 the afternoon in Vredendal, a lovely 26 the afternoon in Cape Town after a foggy start to your Friday. Foggy conditions also expected over the southern interior and the southern coastline of the Western Cape, later temperatures reaching the mid-20s in parts of the Garden Route, foggy at first over parts of the Karoo, later a sunny afternoon and temperatures reaching the mid-20s. Foggy conditions expected over the interior of the Eastern Cape, later remaining quite cool over the escarpment with scattered showers still possible along the eastern coast and the adjacent interior. The Weather Service is warning against disruptive rainfall leading to flooding. Now, as mentioned, that tail of the cut of low pressure system can still bring heavy rain to the coastal regions of KwaZulu Natal this Friday, where we have that yellow level 4 warning in place for disruptive rainfall leading to flooding. So please be careful in those regions. Only isolated light showers possible over the northwestern regions, with temperatures reaching 20 degrees Celsius. A cold and foggy morning over the Highveld, later remaining quite chilly with only 17 in Ermelo. Isolated light showers still possible around the escarpment and in the Lowveld. Foggy at first over parts of Limpopo, later isolated light showers still possible. Temperatures reaching the mid-20s with 24 the afternoon in Tabazimbi and Balabala. A cold and foggy morning at first over parts of northwest, later mostly sunny skies but remaining quite chilly with temperatures in the lower 20s. Cold and foggy at first over parts of the Northern Cape, later sunny skies expected, but those bergwind conditions quickly warming up the western coast, Alexander Bay reaching a high of 35. Also cold and foggy in the morning over parts of the Free State, with minimum temperatures only in the single digits, later remaining quite chilly but sunny with 18 in Bethlehem, 20 in Bloemfontein. A cold and foggy morning also expected over Gauteng, only 8 in the morning in Johannesburg, later sunny skies with 18 in Johannesburg and 20 in Pretoria. Then this weekend, we're expecting mostly dry and sunny conditions across the country. It's only here over the eastern regions where isolated light showers is still possible. Temperatures only in the lower 20s in and around Gauteng, but warming up along the western coast with 36 the afternoon in Vredendal. Then on Sunday, bergwind conditions now warming up the southern coastline. Temperatures above 30 degrees Celsius expected in George and Gqeberha, remaining sunny over the central and northeastern regions of the country with 24 the afternoon in Pretoria, partly cloudy skies over the extreme eastern regions with only a few isolated light showers still possible. Well, that's all from me. Enjoy your Friday and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.